Hey guys, this is Hunter, and this is gonna be my last video. You guys may be asking, how come this is your last video? The reason I'm stopping is because we've gotten so many noise complaints from the screaming. And my mom told me to stop making videos.
Did you tell them yet?
Yes, Mom, I told them.
Okay, good.
So yeah guys, this is gonna be the last video for ever. I would like to thank each and every single one of you guys for subscribing to me. Almost 50,000 people gone because certain people can't appreciate art.
Yo, what's about to happen, ladies and gentlemen? Los Angeles, California! Bro, it's everything, bro! What that is?
So yeah guys, that's basically all I wanted to say. Yeah, that's it. See you guys forever. This is Hunter. Peace out forever.